A tiny crack may appear as a fine line on a tooth, but its depth and significance can vary. A dental professional first evaluates the crack to understand its location, depth, symptoms, and possible effect on the tooth. Finer surface cracks and deeper structural fractures are different, so professional evaluation helps guide the appropriate treatment approach. For a suitable minor crack, the tooth surface may be professionally cleaned and prepared before restorative material is applied. In selected cases, a dentist may use tooth-colored bonding material as part of managing a minor damaged area. The restorative material is carefully adapted to the treated surface while maintaining the tooth's natural shape and contour. The bonding material is professionally set according to the restorative system used before the final finishing process. The treated surface is finished and checked to ensure the restoration has an appropriate shape and smooth appearance. Bonding may help manage selected minor defects, but deeper or progressing cracks can require different professional dental treatment. This video is for general education only. For a cracked tooth, please consult a qualified dental professional.